Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can install a cache plugin in your Divi WordPress website. So basically cache plugin can improve your website speed as well as performance and load time. So just go to WordPress plugin library. Here you can find out cache plugins. Just you can type light speed. Here you can see the plugin has 5 million plus active installations, and if you have enough budget, just you can purchase WP Rocket, and also you can try some other cache plugin. So just install this plugin. This is free of cost. Here you can see it has 5-star ratings. Then click activate, and its use is very simple. Just you can see the option on the top. Now here you can clear the cache. So that's great, cache is deleted. In this way you can increase your website speed.